Welcome. Today in front of me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should hold for your device screen for a few seconds, and now here you'll see the widgets icon. Click here, and as can you see here, we got a lot of different widgets that we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can add the Facebook, the Gmail application, the settings, the YouTube music if you get some applications, this like in my case, the clock, for example, the digital one. So hold it for a while and drag it here to the screen, or also we can create new screens with a widget by this way. And here you can see that we can also change the size of this widget. We can make it smaller or bigger, and if you want, you can add here more widgets. For example, we can add the calendar, regular one, the schedule. Also just hold and drag it, for example, here to this section. By the same way, we can make it bigger, smaller, and if you want, you can move the widget here between the screens. By the same way, hold it and drag just, and to remove the widget, just hold and drag it to this up section to remove icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.